Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining us for this academic writing module. Today, we are going to focus on the IELTS Task 2 essay. Specifically, we're looking at an opinion over evaluate type essay. Okay, we'll look at an example question together related to the IELTS Academic 17 book. And I'm going to share with you some great tips and tricks to avoid. Let's get started. Our question here is some children spend hours every day on their smartphones. Why is this the case? The reason behind this phenomenon? Do you think this is a positive or a negative development? Something positive or something negative, okay? You have to give reasons for your answer. What for this phenomenon? Why are the reason for this? And include any relevant examples of your own knowledge and experiences, okay? Pay attention that this is an opinion over evaluate type essay, the least common type of question in IELTS academic. You should introduce the topic, say how important the topic issue is, and then explain why you think that this issue is something positive or negative development. And at the end, the conclusion should be a brief summary of the main point, okay? In the IELTS 17 book, in test 2, the candidate provided us actually a band 6.5 model essay, and the examiners actually we saw him or her comments the negative and positive point here, as well as we added some information here, and we are gonna now analyze it in more detail. Mobile phones nowadays contain, without this, essential features with entertainment. Also, there is no need for also here. There has been there has been a large growth seen in usage hours of smartphones among youngsters. There has been a significant growth in the usage of smartphones uh, among youngsters in terms of hours. There are several reasons behind this phenomenon, and I found this development more beneficial than negative. And it seems to me that this phenomenon can have some beneficial impact. This is not actually my opinion. I'm analyzing the question, the answer. Both the reasons and my view are elaborated further. Instead of this sentence, I'm gonna write this, that the reasons behind this positive development will be evaluated in the next common paragraphs, okay? The first paragraph, the main body, par 1. The first reason for overusage of smart devices by children is the social benefit they provide, not uh, the first reason for over usage of smart devices by children is related to social benefits. The smartphone connected to the internet opens up large possibilities, from creating new friends to communicating with them over social media. For instance, a child in my neighborhood chats for hours with his school friends over Facebook, a kind of social media, and also spends time over an online video sharing phone application. Please try to provide some logical evidences for examples. Uh, and please pay attention that you have to provide advanced academic phrase sentences, not something informal. This is IELTS academic example question. Okay, Facebook is something very common, and most of the people know that, so there is no need for extra explanation. And then moreover, mobile game and especially multiplayer games is another major reason for this situation. Children plays different kinds of games over mobile for entertainment purposes, and they involve themselves in games in such a manner, no need for comma, that they forget about the time and other works to do. um, the candidate should provide, logical reasons for this, not something usual and not related actually. um, the candidate tried to provide actually some reason why they, because of for over usage of smartphones. Okay, and then okay, uh, however, on the other hand, I believe that smartphones have also increased the knowledge of pupils. The candidate provide in this paragraph why this is something, this has some positive impact, why this is something positive, positive development. I believe that smartphones have also increased the knowledge of pupils. Great, not avoiding from saying children. It has developed some important social skills such as communication skills, teamwork, group work, and many more. um, Ranging from communication skills uh, to teamwork, no need for here, by allowing them to work and play in groups without the restriction of distance. Pay attention to the topic specific vocabularies. Additionally, children can learn through the internet by watching, pay attention to its spelling error, online videos, and reading articles, which ultimately assist them in their studies as well as language skills. For example, whenever my niece requires to know about something, he searches it over the internet and learns from it. Please pay attention that in the real exam you have to provide academic advanced examples. Okay, not from your, something informal. Whenever children needs to search for something, in when they are seeking to find an answer for their questions, they can search over the internet and learn whatever they want. Moreover, addition, please avoid from the repetition of this, cohesive devices. Additionally, furthermore, a multiplayer online gaming improve their multitasking ability, and it also give them a competitive environment. But the thing that I really think about that is, in you have to provide a logical answer. There is an, actually. use some common articles, read them and learn them. We have to provide here some vocabularies related to, social media, whatever the, threat that children are facing, screen addiction, and etc. So, but the candidate know this as a, beneficial development. Okay, at the end, overall, I agree that there is, and this kind of question is not something related to agree or disagree, so there is no need for this. Overall, at the end, to sum up, to recapitulate, it seems to me that over usage of a smartphone on a daily basis, on a regular basis, is um, is harmful for them. Has some negative impact for their life. However, if given proper guidance, mobile phones can assist them in learning some lifelong skills. The candidate, by providing, if you actually try to um, provide a balanced conclusion, provided that in a condition that proper guidance under the supervision of the parents, mobile phones can help them in learning some lifelong skills. Okay, I tried to explain them. Please pay attention that if you want to provide a balanced conclusion, you can use provided that or as long as to set a condition in your last paragraph. For example, overall, it seems that video games can be a useful part of a child's education. Why? How? Provided that the content is monitored by parents or teachers. Great sentence. Okay, and your subscribers, you have to know that if you want to write a band 7 and above, you have to be familiar with the topic of education and schooling, as well as topic of children and families. These are really important. Please take a look to our previous videos regarding education and schooling. Vocabulary such as pedagogical, formal examinations, academic achievement, teacher-led lessons, group work, study skills, rote learning, guided learning, self distance learning, and how to actually children can discriminate between sources in the usage of smartphones actually. And yeah, and the next topic is related to the topic of children and families, such as, role models, conventions, codes of conduct, peer pressures, child maintained viable, abandoned, well brought up, and etc. Okay? And please remember that by the usage of these steps, you will be able to write band 7 and above model essay. So please learn them, use them, and after practicing, you can learn them and use them, and you can provide your sample answer in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you soon in another IELTS with me tutorial. Take care. Bye.